Hey guys, Rose. It's me, Des, and I'm gonna need a favor from you guys. Please don't judge me. I just woke up from a nap like 5 minutes ago. So today I have a very exciting video. Alright, now that my looks are out of the way, let's get started. As you probably know by the title, I'm unboxing this baby. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, my birthday was on January 31st. My sisters and my mom got me this. This is the Jeffree Star mystery box. Wow! So I was so excited. I couldn't wait to open this. Alright, I have a ring light back there that has been literally waiting there for like a week, and I just haven't had time to unbox it for you guys. So, okay, so let's just hop right into it. I have nothing of Jeffree Star's. So this, whatever he sent me in this, whatever he specifically sent me in this box will be my first things I have of him. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I open it up and first thing I see is this right here. It's just packaged like that. Okay, so first of all, we have a pop socket. Look at this. I'm putting this on right freaking later. That's besides the point. So first thing I see are 2 highlighters, I think. Let's open these bad boys up and see what they look like. Oh, dude, I feel like I am playing with Barbie doll makeup right now. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Wow. This is how it looks on your fingers. So it looks really purple and lavender. I guess that's why they called it that. Let's see if it wants to focus. And then, so you get this. That's one swipe. Pretty freaking good if you ask me. I put it on my nose too, so. Okay, so next one. Low-key wish I would just bought a bunch of his products because I don't know how this is gonna look on me, you know, specifically. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This one's called Frozen Peach, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna just watch that right there. Take your time. I know you have bad vision. Okay, so this one's more like a bunch of, it's like skin color and it's really sparkly. I actually really like this. So next thing we have is 3 velour liquid lipstick. The first one we're gonna open is in Dream House. Dude, his packaging reminds me of like, okay, this is interesting. Wow. So this it's like this hot pink. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that one, to be honest. I'm sorry. I love you, Jeffree Star. It's just like, I'd be much better with a red. You feel me? Okay, so this one's in like this looking shaped too. Okay, yeah, this one's hot pink too. So not gonna lie to you guys right now, a little disappointed. I love you, Jeffree Star. I really do. You're my freaking icon. It's just pink don't look good on me, especially hot pink. Like that looks, it looks like I ate a freaking, I'm not gonna finish that sentence. Okay, I'm not too sure about this one. I think it'll make me look weird, so not too happy about the lips, and that's the thing I was low-key most excited for, but it's fine. The next one, it's called Diamond. Okay, so Jason's gonna be very jealous, or maybe not because it's like a purple, but like when will I wear this? Anyways, so far I didn't like any of the lipsticks. I'm sorry, don't roast me. So this one's a lip liner. Hopefully this is a good one. Ooh, this is fancy. So the packaging is really cute in this one. This is what the color is supposed to look like. I dig it. I like this one a lot. Wait, I don't understand. Is this all the product it comes with? I'm confused because it's like not pencil, it's fake. But like, is this it? And once you run out of this tip, it's gone? Like, is that what I'm seeing here? In my personal preference of wearing makeup, I would not choose these things. Ooh, the last thing I got is actually really good. I actually really wanted this shirt. It's the shirt that says "Can't Relate" and it has a beautiful hand. Yes, I'm putting this on right now. I think I jinxed myself in the beginning of the video. So cute. Here's the thing. I wonder if everyone got this stuff or I just got really unlucky. I guess I should have done my research before I asked for this. It states on the wonderful internet, most mystery boxes contain older, discontinued, or poorly selling items. And they do that to move products since it costs a lot to store or potentially throw away expired products. So they get rid of them at a low price. I don't know what people expected. I'm gonna be kind of low-key upset if a bunch of people got cool things and I got the trash items. So it looks like I'm failing at YouTube because a lot of people got both the boxes, the $40 one and the $75 one. I just got the $75 one. High-key disappointed, but like, Jeffree, you got me. You're a smart businessman, alright? 30 minutes later, I just watched a video, So, what are my overall thoughts? I got scammed on my birthday. Well, that is quite disappointing, not gonna lie. I got a bunch of lipstick and stuff that I will never wear. Moral of the story, I won't be keeping any of these lipsticks. If y'all trying to buy them off me or trade with me or something, let me know, because what am I gonna do with these? I can't even wear them. Pink looks so ugly on me. I should have never gotten this box. Like, honestly, what was I expecting? You know what would have been cool if you would have done, Jeffree? You know what would have been cool, all right? If you would have had a little customizer thing where you like specified what colors you want, like what kind of shades you want. That way you didn't get something that's totally out of your range. And also, if you guys know, because I don't, you hear my dog eating right now? Oh my god. This is my baby Chikoski. He is so cute. So overall, what are your thoughts on the Jeffree Star mystery box? What would I rate this? Honestly, I'd give it a 2 out of 10 because I liked 2 things out of the 8 products, including the freaking push pop box. Push pop. Jeffree Star canceled. I'm just kidding. Don't take me seriously. Like, I paid the money for it. I should have like expected it. I should have done my research. I should have guessed that, like, of course they're gonna send me random stuff that isn't gonna look good on me, you know. My Instagram is Desiree5454. Follow me on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for 15,000. I love you guys so much. Just so you guys know, I'm really gonna try hard to like start uploading more. I'm really gonna get on my YouTube. I'm really gonna step up my YouTube game. We're a family friendly channel here. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video. Let me know down in the comments if you got a mystery box. And if you did, what did you think about it? What were the products you got? What was your favorite? And what was wrong with it? If there was anything wrong with it, just saying. I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.